Welcome to GOVMLAB, India's first job-ready VMware learning platform where professionals meet experts to revolutionize their VMware careers.
Hello everyone. In last lecture we have discussed about how do we go and collect memory specific metrics for a given virtual machine when virtual machine facing memory degraded issues, or maybe the applications running inside a virtual machine having a performance issues. And that's where we have walked you through various metrics like virtual memory or guest memory, active guest memory, and how do we go and collect those metrics from our vCenter UI. Now, the one thing what we have discussed in the last lecture, that because our host was not under contention, or there was enough amount of memory was available inside our ESXi host, because of which none of the reclamation technique like compression, ballooning, or maybe swapping got kicked in as a to reclaim physical memory. In this particular lecture, what we're gonna do, we actually gonna make use of some simulation tools which actually help us to stress our ESXi host, and then with those tools we'll try to put our host under contention, or maybe in the situation of memory overcommitment, and then we will analyze using ESXTOP command and the memory statistics to see that how balloon driver and the swapping techniques gets kick in whenever our underlying host is under contention or running out of memory. So let's get started. As you could see that we are logged into our vCenter server SAVCSA01. Now let's go and browse our vCenter server. So that's our SA data center. Let's go and browse our data center. Now within that data center, we have a cluster created as SA cluster, and we also have a host added to our data center named as SAESXi05. Let's go and browse our SA cluster. So we just have a 2ESXi host, 2 node cluster created under our SA data center. Now let's go and browse our SAESXi05 host, and we do see that there are a bunch of VMs which are present or running on this ESXi host. So we are gonna make use of SAESXi05 host as a host which we are going to overcommit, and we are going to collect memory related metrics and analyze how balloon drivers and other reclamation techniques gets kicked in when my SAESXi05 host under memory contention. So to do that, let's do one thing. First, let's log into our ESXi host and let's review some of the few metrics of our virtual machine memory related statistics. So this is our SAESXi05 host. As you do see that, execute the ESXTOP command. Now when we execute ESXTOP command, the default view what we get is basically CPU. So for memory, we'll have to press M key. Now, as soon as I press the M key, you do see that the entire view gets changed and we start getting memory specific metrics. But now, because we are only concerned about virtual machines, we are not concerned about other system related processes or the worlds which are running on our ESXi host. So let's filter out this view to only virtual machine view. So press capital V and you do see that now the view of ESXTOP has been filtered out very nicely to only specific to virtual machine views, and we only see virtual machine specific details. Now, the one more thing, we do see a couple of additional parameters which most of the time are not really useful when we are debugging memory performance related issues for our virtual machines. For example, LLSWR, overhead writes and reads and reads. So let's go and try to optimize the view of ESXTOP, and let's get rid of all those additional parameters which we really don't feel really important for our troubleshooting for memory performance related issues. So to do that, press F key, and as you could see that these are the current fields. These are the fields which actually can be selected or deselected, and based on these selection and deselection, the table will be, or the columns in the ESXTOP commands will be populated. So for our this particular analysis, what we're gonna do, we actually gonna make use, we're not gonna use group ID. So I'm just gonna deselect group ID. I'm also gonna deselect this swap stats. Sorry, we need swap stats. I'm gonna deselect this LL swap stats. And I also don't need memory overhead thing. So let's deselect this memory overhead also. So now one thing which is not selected here is memctl. So this memctl is one of the very important statistics we should be looking for it whenever we are troubleshooting memory performance related issues, because memctl is the balloon driver. So that's the one parameter which is not by default coming in our ESXTOP view. So to select that, just type capital J, and you do see that the star mark says that these four column or these four statistics or field, name, size, memory size, memctl statistics and swap statistics, will only be populated in our ESXTOP command view. So now we have selected the required field, whatever we are interested into, press enter key, and now look at that. Our view got very specific to only those fields what we are interested into. Now let me walk you through a very important fields we should be looking forward to it, or we should be analyzing it whenever we are troubleshooting memory performance related issues inside our virtual machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to continue watch this lecture, then join our exclusive YouTube membership program only at the price of 299 rupees INR per month, and unlock your VMware potential with GoVMLab. With this membership program, you can unlock all of our members only content published on our YouTube channel. You can watch out the videos presented on your screen to know the benefits of GoVMLab subscription as well as the membership program. Thank you.